Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is me, Mary. Hi, how are you? And I hope you're enjoying the new camera. Anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing that little battery eraser that I bought at Ulta. So today we're going to be doing that, so that's why I'm not wearing any makeup. You can see all my redness and all my wrinkles and everything. And purposely I did not shave my face. So if I look like Chewbacca, I'm so sorry, but you're going to be close up and close and personal to my face so you can actually see if it works. So I'm going to go ahead and get the bag. So this was the bag that it came in, that they gave me at Ulta. So this was the Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover. So this is where it comes from. It says that it includes the batteries, so it says batteries included right here. I don't know if you can see it there. Hoping that the camera can focus. So yeah, it says that is dermatologist approved. So I'm not a dermatologist, but I am a user, so I'm going to say if it's approved or not. But yeah, I've been wanting to buy it for quite some time, so I'm happy that I got it. And I got it for like $19.99. There is another version where it's not batteries. It actually has like a power cord. But I mean, if it's the same thing, I wanted to try it. I don't have I'm not the bearded lady, so I really don't need the one with the cable. It doesn't need that extra power. That's what I'm hoping. So I did leave a little bit of my mustache grow. It's so gross, I know, whatever. Everybody has body hairs. Everybody has facial hair. So whatever, get over it. Don't come for me. But anyways, I did leave a little bit. Wherever I shave, you're going to be able to see those hairs. I'm going to try to get it as close as possible, and I'm hoping that the camera will focus. I'm pretty sure it will. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So I was earlier checking the box, and you have to like open it from the bottom. It had like a sticker. Let me see right here. Wait a second. Oh yeah, right here. I don't know if I have a. Yeah, I don't have a scissor. Let me see. Let me see if I can try with this. There we go. So yeah, I was able to open it there. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so this, like I said, I got it. Oh, keep dropping stuff now. Okay, like I said, I got it for $19.99 at Ulta. And it comes. Oh, see, I'm breaking stuff, girl. This little. Okay, so here, quick start guide. So it's giving me the instructions. First, it says this is how it comes in, like in the package with the battery, and I guess that's a little brush to clean it. It says remove cap, install battery, grab the upper section of the unit with one hand, the bottom half with the other, and pull apart. Okay, we're going to be doing that in a little bit. Then it says turn unit on, just slide gold switch upwards. Okay, then remove hair use in a circular motion. So that's what it is. I kind of broke the page over here, but you get the idea. Then, okay, so it says how to use. Remove the flawless cap. Slide the switch located on the side of the unit upward. Okay, gently press the unit flat against your skin. The unit should not be on angle. Proceed making small circular motions to remove unwanted hair. Okay, it says normal for the head to become warm with use. Okay, so it's saying that it's going to get a little bit warm, so not freak out that I'm like burning it or my hairs are like too thick or something like that, which over here and over here they kind of are, so you're going to be able to see that. So yeah, let me go ahead and put the batteries on. So let me just get it out of here. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it is kind of like, it doesn't have like the too much weight on it, but it actually is really cute. That's kind of like a rose gold. I don't even know what color that is. I can't see with the light. Okay, peel using circular motions. Okay. See, I'm not following instructions already. Okay, so for the battery, I have to take this off. There we go. We're going to grab that battery in here. That's here. We're going to slide that in and move that in there again. Okay. What am I doing? Oh, that's not the right part. Jesus Christ. Okay, so peel slide gold switch up to turn on. Let me just peel that really quick. Now I don't see here that it's like giving me like any like instructions as far as, you know, I did wash my face, so my face is clean, but still, I might think that it would like offer me or ask me or give me some information about. So it does have some warnings. It says, keep out of the reach of children, of course. Do not use on irritated skin. Discontinue use if skin irritation occurs. Exercise caution when using around the eyes. Yes, don't shave your eyebrows, girls. Do not rinse trimmer head underwater. Do not submerge unit underwater. Store in a cool, dry place where not in use. Do not connect battery improperly. Charge or dispose of in fire. Battery may explode or leak. Great. Okay, so there we go. Crap. So it sounds like that. Ooh, I'm excited. So I'm gonna have the camera. I'm gonna get that camera really close. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and see if this works. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and I'm gonna get you a little bit closer over here. So don't be scared if you see all those hairs. I know I'm the bearded lady. So we're gonna see over here. If you can get close enough that you can see it. Right here I have a couple of hairs. Okay, we're gonna see if that works. Circular motions. Oh yeah, that feels like it's shaving me because I can hear it. Oh. Yeah, okay, so right here I have a couple of hairs that usually grow right next to my eye. Okay, now we're gonna go here. Ooh. Should I get this hairs right here without shaving your eyebrow? You can go over a little bit because this is actually works and is very gentle. I'm not feeling like it's pulling any hairs or anything. Okay, so now let me see where else. My mustache. I did let it grow a little bit. Okay, I have a pimple right here that's like going away now, but I get hairs all over this place. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and go to my mustache. I usually have like the Cantinflas kind of style of a mustache, and it grows like right here. Okay, now I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna try not to put the mirror on the way, but I have some little hairs right here. Oh, that's so cool. That's actually really, really cutting my hair. This is definitely working. I can feel it. It's not pulling my hairs. It is starting to feel a little warm. Okay, so I'm going to back up for a little bit now. Okay, now I'm going to give you my final thoughts. So as far as the little racer, first is super cute, super handy. You can put it in your bag, in your purse. You can take it anywhere. I love the aesthetic of it. It's super cute. It's very nice. It's pretty. It was getting a little warm right here, but it's not like it's burning. It feels soft when you're like going over your face. Doesn't feel like it's pulling your skin or anything. I have hairs that grow everywhere, like around here, this area, my mustache. So this is actually a plus. You can actually use it for here too. Those little stubborn hairs that grow in the middle. Without shaving your eyebrows, be careful. This is really, really good. Okay. So, as far as this purchase, the Flawless Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Removal, I really enjoy it. I like it for $20. It's really good. It's the lady at the store, she told me that the batteries will last a long time. So this is very travel friendly. Like I said, you can throw it in your bag, your purse, anywhere Make sure that you don't have a mustache or anything like that where you're gonna kiss your boyfriend, your husband. So I think this is really cool. It does bring like a little brush for you to clean it. So I would need to like maybe like read the instructions as far as how do we clean this and that. But I mean, it doesn't like explain it here how you would go ahead and clean it. Oh yeah, cleaning. It says twist its rotating head counterclockwise and lift off. Okay, so. And you lift it. Oh my god, look at those hairs. That's so gross. I'm so sorry. But look at the hairs in there. So all you have to do is just go ahead with that little, with this little brush. You clean it in there really nice. I'm not going to do it now because it's super gross. But you get the idea. And then you just put it back in there. You snap it. And you're done, actually. So skin feels really good. I was trying to see if this will actually give you like pointers. Let's see here. As far as, you know, after you use it. But I would just try to like maybe wash my face again and like moisturize and do all that stuff. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend moisturizing and doing all that stuff because your skin is going to be oily. It's going to be full of creams and stuff. So wash your face, use it, and then do your normal beauty routine. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. I think this is actually a really good buy. So tell me what you think. I'm not saying you have to go get it. It's not like you have to go buy it, but if you want something like this and you're struggling like I do, that I have like my mustache grows, my hair over here, my hormones go crazy, and then it's like the hair grows. So yeah, I would definitely go get it. They have it at Ulta, and I've seen it at Walmart as well. When you're ready to go pay, I've seen it there too, but I was like skeptical about grabbing it, but the lady, you know, the lady told me about it, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and try it for 20 bucks. I mean, why not, right? So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want something, if you have any questions or anything, you need me to help you with something, just let me know. I'm sorry that I'm gonna leave you like this with this face. So I see you on the next one. Thank you.